Guys, this is Carnation Single Attached. Dito lang yan sa Richdale Residences dito sa may General Trias. Malapit sa Tagaytay, Amadeo. Woo! Reserve na!
So nagpunta kami sa Richdale West Residences, ang new project na Aksaya dito sa Barangay Panungyanan, General Trias, Cavite. Pumunta muna kami sa phase 1 kasi andito yung model house, and as you can see, dyan sa may arrow na red, dito kami pumasok. Pero this house will be available in phase 2, indicated by the yellow color sa mapa. Ang ganda na location ng project na to kasi walking distance lang siya from the Governor's Drive, and only 15 to 20 minutes drive naman papunta sa Tagaytay via Amadeo Indang Road. So ito yung ating Carnation Single Attached house. Gusto nyo tumira sa Tagaytay pero mahal ang properties, you may want to check this out. Typical lot area is 99 square meters and the floor area is 66 square meters. This is single attached, and sa actual turnover, itong part na to is firewall. So walang windows dyan sa part na yan, guys. Okay? Ang may windows ay dito sa part naman na malapit sa pintuan or sa main door. Nasa gilid ng door na to, merong 2.5 meters as part of the property line at pwedeng gawing parking para sa dalawang kotse. So, ang deliverable unit nito is bare, pero yung exterior part ng bahay ay painted na. Kung ano yung nakikita niyo sa video, yun ang marireceive ninyo. The interior of the house is bare ang turnover. So, wala pang paint, wala pang tiles, wala pang partitions. So, itong house na to, meron siyang 2 toilet and bath, isa sa ground floor at isa sa second floor. So, we have here the living area. Dining area, kitchen, and also service area sa labas. So, ito na yung turnover ng ating kitchen. Naka-tiles na yung lababo. For the toilet and bath, 3/4 of the wall ay naka-tiles. Wala siyang ceiling. Okay, open lang. No? Pero complete na rin ang bathroom fixtures once ma-deliver na sa homeowner yung bahay. So, for the stairs, open stairs lang ito. Ang handrails natin ay bakal. So, we're going up to the second floor. So, sa second floor naman guys wala tayong wall partitions or room partitions dito. Ganito pa rin siya, open lang siya, not painted ang wall, at wala ding ceiling. So, our second floor is provision for 3 bedrooms. Actually guys, pwede nyo pang gawing 4 bedrooms ito kasi sa my parking area na space, pwede nyo lagyan dyan ng cover yung parking area, and then you can make another room sa taas, no? Pero yung iba naman ginagawa nilang balcony. Same as with the ground floor, no? Ang ating toilet and bath sa second floor, 3/4 of the wall naka-tiles na. And of course, the floor is also naka-tiles na rin. Pero yung 1/4 part of the wall dito sa toilet and bath is bare pa rin and wala siyang ceiling. So, this part, no, ito yung mga naka-firewall. So, wala kayong makikitang windows dyan. Ito ang advantage if you're going to get a house na wala pang mga partitions, because as a homeowners, of course, meron kayong preferences no, kung paano yung i-design yung house niyo. Mas ma-maximize niyo ang space dito sa second floor at hindi pa maging doble yung gastos niyo. Kasi sa totoo lang, if you're going to get a house na complete na, no, yung may mga tiles na, may partitions na, binabayaran nyo rin yan. Kasama yan sa total contract price. Tapos pagkalipat ninyo, minsan, ipaparenovate nyo pa. So, gigibain nyo na naman kung ano yung meron na sa second floor or sa house mismo. And then, you will pay for another naman para naman sa inyong design na gusto. Diba? So, here's the floor plan for the Carnation Single Attached. Ito yung ground floor and ito yung second floor. Ang ganda na location ng model house na to kasi nasa malapit siya sa amenities. And talagang ma-enjoy ng ating mga homeowners ang amenities dito sa Richdale West Residences. So right now guys, sa pre-selling stage pa lang siya. So medyo mababa pa ang price. Current price as of March 2025 is 4 million. Disclaimer lang, this is subject to change without prior notice. Again, as of March 2025, price is nasa 4 million. Loanable amount is nasa 3.5 and ang kanyang down payment or equity is 468,000. Payable siya in 26 months naman, kaya nasa 18,000 lang siya monthly. After equity, ang mortgage naman ng house monthly for 30 years is nasa 21,000 plus. Net disposable income required is nasa 62,000 for a 30 years term. So, ayun lang guys, no? If you want to know more about this project, let me know in the comment section, or you can also inbox me dito sa information sa screen. So, ayun lang muna guys. If you're shopping for house and lot dito sa Cavite, follow me for more. So, ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!